The following are the Motion-Guard MG1000-450-S fixture installation instructions. With your Old Fixtures compatibility confirmed on the Motion-Guard adapter plate S fitment chart, the next step is to verify the MG1000-450's dimensions and features. The Motion-Guard MG1000-450B, SB, and MG1000-450W, SW, when assembled, has a fixture size of 8 1/4 by 4 7/8 by 3 1/16. This bundle is thoughtfully engineered with integrated weep holes on both the back of the fixture and the bottom of the adapter plate. This clever feature ensures any accumulating moisture is efficiently drained away, preventing potential issues like wall delamination or worse. The following are the installation instructions for replacing the Bargman 4-hole fixture with the adapter plate S bundle. Just a heads up, the adapter plate is designed to work with many different 2- or 4-hole fixtures. Just check the adapter plate fitment S chart to see all the additional models it fits. So let's get started. It should be noted that if the adapter plate installation instructions, as pictured here and included in each of the listings for the differing adapter plates available, are followed, there will be no need for our customers to apply sealer to the sealer groove on the back of the adapter plate. But if you are like some others that have chosen to use the sealer expansion groove when mounting the adapter plate S, do not seal the weep holes. These openings are vital in preventing moisture buildup. In this presentation, we will demonstrate the replacement of the Bargman number 30, 78, 517 lighting fixture. This fixture is listed on the Motion-Guard adapter plate S fitment chart. The arrows shown here denote the fixture screws that have to be removed to get to the next step. Here you can see the imprint of the old fixture and where the screws were located. To get ready for the next step, pull 2 inches of wire through the hole and strip the ends. In this step, we want to seal the exterior wall penetration with a marine-grade sealant. Now, by using our adapter plate S design, you will get a seamless upgrade for your project. It exactly matches and reuses your existing mounting holes, ensuring a hassle-free installation. Plus, it completely covers the old fixture's footprint and all that stubborn, hard-to-remove surface crud contamination, giving your RV's wall a fresh, clean, custom look without extra effort. At this point, use the longer provided screws to securely fasten the adapter plate A into place. You can now go ahead and wire your Motion-Guard MG1000-450 to your coach as shown in the picture. A helpful tip: this fixture is not polarity sensitive, meaning you can connect the wires without concern for positive or negative. After wiring, use your inside porch switch to test the fixture. If it functions as expected, proceed to the next step. After securely connecting the fixture's wiring, align the Motion-Guard MG1000-450 with the screw holes located on adapter plate S. Now use the 4 short screws provided to mount the fixture to the adapter plate. The following are the fixture lens gasket installation instructions. When installing the lens gasket, apply a small amount of sealer to the groove in the main housing in 6 designated spots, as shown using a toothpick. Now, when installing the lens gasket, be sure to place the flat side of the lens gasket facing out as shown. The molded-in gasket seal guides around the main housing, as shown here. Ensure the seal stays in its necessary shape. That's easy. The final step is to snap the lens into place. Once the lens is secured, the installation is complete. Okay, now that your installation is complete, you can see that the MG1000-450S bundle covers the old fixture footprint completely, eliminating the need for any touch-ups. You will note that with all the wall penetration sealed, there is now no need to put any sealant around the perimeter of the fixture, as any water that would migrate behind the fixture will come out the weep holes designed into the bottom. This design, while it is easy to install, provides a premium custom appearance. So remember that when you want to upgrade to new, more modern fixtures, upgrading with Motion-Guard or Bug-Guard fixtures, there's no need to settle for a faded, unpainted, or crud-covered area that looks like this. when it should look like this. Here are just a few of our many satisfied customers who've installed Motion-Guard security lighting. They've experienced a vast improvement in both security and personal safety, along with noticeable power savings during their camping trips. The common sentiment? They all wished they'd upgraded sooner, and now, with our innovative adapter plates, making the switch is easier than ever. In most cases, you won't need to drill any new holes, and we'll ensure any unpainted areas on your coach are completely covered. The result is a seamless, custom installation that will look even better than your original factory light. We appreciate you watching. Should anything come up, whether it's a question or you need a hand with anything, feel free to reach out to us. You can call us directly at 623-466-2367 or send an email to info@rvlights.com. We're here for you. Travel safe. Please like and subscribe.